Trump wants to refit America's newest aircraft carriers with old technology and give them World War II aesthetics. And both ideas could end catastrophically. One proposal involves relocating the ship's island, the structure containing the carrier's command and flight control facilities. On the new Ford-class carriers, the island is positioned far back towards the stern, and Trump wants it moved forward to the middle of the ship, more like the USS Enterprise CV-6 and other Yorktown-class carriers from World War II. And apparently Trump's reason is because he thinks it looks better. Now the Navy has to determine if that is actually possible, which is completely insane and would cost billions and billions of dollars. There are good reasons why the island was moved back in the first place. It creates more usable flight deck space and improves efficiency, so more aircraft can launch and recover in less time. Older layouts created bottlenecks that slowed down flight operations. That is exactly why the layout was redesigned. Smart people actually thought about this. Throwing all of it away purely for aesthetics would be borderline insanity and cost billions of dollars and years of time. The USS Gerald R. Ford alone took about 17 years from construction to commissioning. Suddenly changing fundamental aspects of the design could massively delay future ships. But that's not even everything. Trump also wants to bring back steam catapults instead of the modern electromagnetic systems. A plan is now supposed to be developed within 60 days to examine how you could replace the emails on the future aircraft carrier USS Doris Miller with steam catapults and hydraulic systems, because those are supposed to be familiar and proven technologies. But to implement that, you would have to redesign enormous parts of the ship. You cannot simply remove one system and install the other. Behind the catapult are countless components. Steam pipes would have to be installed throughout the ship. You'd need a massive accumulator to store the steam and so much more. All of that would have to be installed just to return to older, less advanced technology. The electromagnetic catapults had major problems for years, but many of those problems have been addressed now, which was already very costly. So now that the system finally works, it's supposed to be replaced with old technology. It's completely ridiculous. But I'm glad my home country of Germany isn't the only place with completely incompetent leadership. Makes you feel a little bit less alone.